three power play goals in the game by Tampa Bay. Malot's first of the playoffs from Drouin, who made the pass, and Kucherov, 7 on the time. Okay, Detroit have to come back in a hurry, and they are. No shot coming right there from that angle. Right at the line, stepping up Tatar. Put in! He missed. Comes back out off the boards to him. It's backhanded at the net by Datsuk, and that was wide. Another shot from the other side, deflected wide of the Tampa Bay goal. Tampa Bay leading by a goal again. We're down to 2:22 remaining in the third period. The Lightning a little more patient on this rush. And Callahan just pumped it in. Because they're changing. 2:10 left. Tampa Bay 3. Detroit 2. Now the Red Wings look at them go again. Larkin! Wow, what a burst of speed by Larkin, but he couldn't get the shot to go on the net. High and wide. They turn it center. Back up there again. Nyquist brings it in. Nyquist left it there in front. The shot is away wide of the goal, and it squirts out to center ice. Now the goalie at the other end, Mrazek, sees they have the zone. He's gone. The shot comes in from Smith, and Bishop hangs on, so the net is empty at the other end, and the sixth attacker will be on for Detroit.
A couple of really good quality scoring chances for Detroit after the goal by Tampa Bay. Tatar, what a great set of mitts right there as he dangles Callahan. He knows he's going to go down to block it, but he misfires. And then the speedy Larkin up through the middle of the ice, where Detroit has had some luck getting up through the middle with some chances. He can't get it through either. I mean, what an exciting finish.
Detroit has called a timeout. Why wouldn't they? They have the netminder on the bench. They're going to talk over this face-off setup. Hope to get something going. They got 1 minute and 35 seconds in which to stay alive.
I tell you, I am so impressed with Kucherov. I mean, this is a guy who's been scoring a ton of goals in this series. But not only scoring, his great set of hands and playmaking ability. He has been involved in every goal, and I got to tell you what, Drouin has been a big factor on their power play. They worked on it on the off day. They worked with him extensively on that thing. They know he's a good puck handler. He's got good vision of the ice. There's been a couple of beauty passes tonight.
Game 5 is Thursday in Tampa Bay. That's 7 Eastern. We're invited to stay with us in this series. It's been great from day one. This is game 4. And Tampa Bay leads in the series 2-1. What a huge win this would be then for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Detroit trying to pull out all the stops, the net empty. The sixth attacker on. Hedman with the puck. They get the puck out and down the ice. But no damage will be done with Mike Green getting back first. Now the Red Wings will line up. And they go to Datsuk. In over the line, under control. Along the board, shoots it in around the net. Centering pass! Missed in front of the net. Richards stopped it at the line and sets it up. And Richards is going to get it again. Shoots the puck in wide off the boards. It comes out. Look out. It's going to be cleared by Tampa Bay. Very carefully to center ice. Good move. Under a minute left. That is Nyquist turning with the puck. Nyquist coming with the puck. Gets it off the boards in deep, but fast. Getting back is Garrison. On the other side, they're trying to clear it. They don't get it out. So a chance for Detroit to set it up. 6 of them are on there. The net is empty. Abdelkader had one chance and missed it. 34 seconds left. Richards at the blue line, cross ice. No shot on goal from over there. Again from the line. The shot is deflected wide. Behind the net, Abdelkader gets it out, and Richards has the weight. Got it over there again. Another long shot. That was fired off a stick. And that goes out of play as Green just pumped it. Now he's got a great shot, but he was covered well and had to hit somebody, and it did.
Well, you bring over guys like Boyle and Callahan, who came from that New York Ranger organization, and John Tortorella. They block everything, and I think they block some of that attitude to the Tampa Bay Lightning. Look at Palat. He goes down to block this shot from Green. He gets it with his back right skate. And what a great block. Not only has he got the big goal, it's a solid block. and the puck went out of the zone.
15.5 seconds remaining in regulation time. Detroit net empty. 6 attackers in red and white on the ice for the Red Wings. And the faceoff comes to the left of Ben Bishop. Can Tampa Bay hang on? Well, we're going to find out. We're ready. Brian Boyle, 6'7", will lean in to try and win this faceoff for Tampa Bay. That might do it. 15 seconds left on the clock. Detroit wins it. Pass in front of the net. Scramble for the puck. They walk away at it. Bishop is down. He's got it. 8.7 seconds on the clock. There was a chance.
Well, they're going to send out their best face-off guy right now. Filppula is going to come out once this clears out, and Palat and Callahan are going to join him. John Cooper did not like the way that went down. What a scramble, and with all the sweaters, there's a Detroit Red Wing that gets infiltrated right in behind, and he almost batted that into the net. That's as close as it's going to come. Not a lot of time here. You've got to win this face-off.
I'll say 8.7 seconds on the clock. Tampa Bay can win one more. They'll have this game. Well, the Red Wings are all lining up and talking about how they're going to move this puck. Or trying to move this puck. Let's see. Tampa Bay wins it. But it gets to the line. Richard turns, shoots it. It's into the crowd. Another shot coming from Richards. And another maybe. And the blue light is on. This game is done. And the Tampa Bay Lightning win it. Going away 3-2. Right down to the wire. Kucherov, 2 goals. 3 points. Power play worked beautifully for Tampa Bay early. And they hung on to win this game barely.
What a gutsy effort by the Tampa Bay Lightning. They really put it on early in this game. They had all the momentum, and Detroit somehow figured out a way to get it back in the second. I mentioned you don't get into trouble till you lose a game at home. Well, Detroit is in trouble now. They're heading back to Tampa Bay after a big road win for the Lightning.
We mentioned Kucherov with his 2 goals and 3 points in this hockey game. The #1 star for Tampa Bay. Mrazek, he was a solid goaltender again for Detroit. They had 33 shots on him on this evening. And Drouin had 3 assists for the winners. So it's a pretty healthy lead now. 3-1 going home for Tampa Bay Lightning. Winning this game 3-2 in Detroit. George?
Thank you very much, Mr. Bob Cole. And